How to use iOS 18 Genmoji. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll talk about Genmoji. So, if you guys have been seeing recent videos and recent clips of the new Genmoji, you guys must have wanted to try that yourself. Now, before we start, I would like you guys to know that iOS 18's Genmoji is only available for those devices which have the A17 chip. So if you have iPhones anything under iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro Max, you cannot use the Genmoji. Now, if you do have those devices, all you need to do is open up your emojis, and you can simply start combining your different emojis. You can give prompts, you can give your ideas of emoji, and they will just create one and you can send them from here. And it's really simple guys. All you need is an iOS 15 or iOS 15 Pro Max or something higher. And yeah, that is basically it guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.